The world held its breath on September 30th, 2025, as Tesla's AI Day streamed live. We expected updates on cars and batteries. Instead, Elon Musk introduced a new team member. The lights dimmed. Onto the stage walked a sleek, bipedal robot, Optimus Gen 3, carrying a tray with 2 glasses of water, which it placed gently on a table. The crowd erupted. This was no staged act. It was real-time, autonomous action. Just a few years ago, Tesla's robot was a person in a suit. Gen 2 was clunky and tethered, but Gen 3 moved with confidence, a leap in technology. Musk announced 1,000 units had already been delivered to select households that morning for a revolutionary beta test. The live stream cut to a California family opening their door to a Tesla bot, ready for its first day of work. The bot showcased its dexterity delivering water, handing a flower to an audience member, and folding laundry with precision. This wasn't a factory robot repurposed for the home. It was built to understand and interact with our unpredictable world. The dream of a robotic helper had become science fact. Online, excitement and curiosity exploded. Musk promised answers as live feeds from beta homes rolled in. As the bot unpacked groceries on stage, it was clear Tesla wasn't just selling a robot, it was selling time itself. To appreciate Gen 3, let's look back. The first robot in 2022 was just a person in a suit, a vision, not reality. Gen 2 in 2023 could walk and pick up boxes, but only with scripted commands and perfect conditions. It lacked real-world adaptability and fine motor skills. Gen 3 changed everything. Its software and hardware are fully integrated, using neural networks from Tesla's self-driving cars. It doesn't just see objects, it understands them and their context. Now, you can say, Optimus, clean up the living room, and it knows what to do. Gen 3 can cook, clean, and organize with human-like dexterity and speed. Where Gen 2 was a toddler, Gen 3 is a graceful adult. Hardware and software finally in sync. The clumsy steps are gone. A new age of domestic robotics has arrived. The live feed cut to a beta test kitchen. The challenge: could a robot cook a meal from scratch? The Tesla bot, nicknamed Chef, scanned the fridge, identified ingredients, and retrieved them with delicate fingers. It found spaghetti and olive oil in the pantry, placing everything neatly on the counter. This wasn't pre-programmed. The bot navigated a real messy kitchen. It sliced garlic and chopped parsley with precision, its vision system tracking every movement for safety. If a human or pet got too close, the bot paused and retracted the knife, emitting a gentle alert. Multitasking, it boiled water, sautéed garlic, and monitored both pots at once. It drained the pasta, tossed it with garlic and parsley, and grated parmesan on top. The entire meal took less than 20 minutes. The family's awe was clear. A robot had just cooked dinner. This wasn't just about food. It proved a robot could handle complex, dynamic, and potentially dangerous tasks safely. A home-cooked meal, on demand, was now a reality. The future of domestic life had arrived. After dinner, Optimus tackled the next challenge, cleaning up. It cleared the table, stacked dishes, loaded the dishwasher, added detergent, and started the cycle. In the living room, it picked up a coffee mug, fluffed cushions, stacked magazines, and put a toy car in the toy box. The bot didn't just clean, it organized, understanding where things belonged. Its AI recognized objects and their context, showing true domestic intelligence. It vacuumed the rug, swapped attachments, and mopped the hardwood floor. The entire process, which would take a person an hour, was done in 25 minutes. The bot returned to its charging dock, leaving a spotless home. This was more than tidying. It was restoring order, tailored to the family's habits. The age of the domestic robot assistant had truly begun. How does the Tesla bot Gen 3 work its magic? 3 pillars: AI, robotics, and safety. Its brain is a neural network adapted from Tesla's self-driving cars, now trained to understand homes instead of roads. It identifies objects, navigates rooms, and interacts safely. No pre-programmed maps needed. Its body is a marvel of engineering, lightweight, strong, and agile, with hands that sense pressure, texture, and temperature. This dexterity lets it handle eggs, wet dishes, or knives with the right force. Safety is paramount. The bot's vision constantly scans for people and pets, pausing if anything gets too close. Its actuators use only the minimum force needed, preventing accidental harm. These three pillars, AI, dexterity, and safety, set Gen 3 apart. It's not just one breakthrough, but the convergence of many. Intelligence, ability, and trustworthiness, finally together in one machine. This is a pivotal moment in human-robot interaction. The world's reaction was instant and divided. Excitement swept social media. Optimus is here, trended as people dreamed of a life without chores. Musk called it a tool for universal liberation from drudgery. But skepticism followed. What about jobs in cleaning, food prep, and home care? Economists warned of mass unemployment and called for new safety nets. The debate deepened. Is work just income, or does it give us purpose? Critics worried about overdependence, social isolation, and privacy. Who owns the data the bot collects? Could it be hacked? The Tesla bot isn't just a product. It's a catalyst for urgent questions about technology, work, and society. The conversation has only just begun. The impact of a capable home robot is profound. For busy professionals, it means reclaiming hours for family, rest, or creativity. It could ease the burden of domestic labor, especially for women, and promote equity at home. For the elderly, it's a tool for independence, helping with daily tasks, medication, and safety, making aging in place possible. For differently abled individuals, it breaks down barriers, enabling greater self-sufficiency. The bot augments human caregivers, letting them focus on emotional and interpersonal care. Hospitals, schools, and restaurants could all benefit from this technology. The Tesla bot isn't just a gadget, it's a force reshaping our assumptions about work, independence, and daily life. Like the washing machine or the internet, it could quietly transform the world. Society may not feel ready, but history shows technology rarely waits. A new era has begun.